One thing I've always enjoyed doing is welding, and my welder, unfortunately, the liner inside my gun, torch and line, there the welding rod got stuck in there, so it happens. And so it's been quite a few months since I did any welding, so finally I'm getting a new torch and setup. So here is the line that goes into my welder. And it's just a nice little 110 welder. It's not big 220 type, so I don't need a lot of energy. It does have gas. I have an oxy tank with it too. But this gun was already starting to give me some trouble, so I'm just going to get the whole line, and it's pretty affordable on Amazon. So I was going through tips a lot, and just got to take it out inside there. They spin out, and you just replace them. So I just was, the wire kept getting stuck inside the tips. So it's just a clear sign that, things just need to be changed up. And it's an older model. So once I get that, I'll be back into welding. I just did some stuff over here, I'll show you. So I welded these little flowers here for the missus. That leaf fell off. Tulip there. So it's just little fun things that I like to do along with doing any repairs. I put these pedal cards up here. We got this the plane too, but this was made, I just got the car, and the pedal unit was all messed up on it. So I got it was pretty cheap, and this is an older model too. But I converted it, I lowered it, and I put a bar off the back of it to make it into a stroller. So that was a nice little project, fun to do. There are countless things that you can do around your homestead or your home to repair things, and you never know when you're going to really need a welder to help you out around the homestead. So I highly recommend getting just at least a little 110 MIG welder. I also got certified in stick welding, and I did some TIG welding as well. So I was able to do some different types of metals like aluminum, stainless steel. There's some stuff that's over in the New York. There's a light fixture that's in this really high-end, it's like a gambling little area for high-end VIP type people, and I was able to weld all that whole structure together, and some stuff over at the Venetian. So we did some, actually that's what brought me out to Las Vegas, was a welding gig that I got for that particular those particular assignments. Another good use for welding is what's behind me. Things break down a lot on heavy equipment, and you need tools, you need to fix certain things. I had a mini excavator for a while, and the whole front of it would kind of break a little bit off on the bucket unit. So I had to get that repaired and weld that together. That's when I was actually going to welding school, so we were able to use a lot of the equipment there to repair my tractor and get it back up to where it needed to be. Yeah, so there is my welding edition. Once I get up to get that whole welding line back on, I'll do a little bit of some welding projects around here. Maybe even just do little art things and stuff around here, and I'll show you what's going on. Now, I have a Lincoln MIG welder. Lincoln is a good name, and Miller's a good name as well. I don't know if I do the Harbor Freight welders, but if we should do a test and see, if we can get some welders together. So let's do a challenge, anybody out there. Hope you guys like this content. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you all soon.